Common dolphins, as their name suggests, are one of the most widespread dolphin species in the world. They are found in both warm and cool waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans, as well as in the Mediterranean Sea. They are characterized by their sleek and slender bodies, with a light gray color on the sides and a creamy white underbelly. They have a distinctive hourglass pattern on their flanks, with a black dorsal fin and black flipper tips. These dolphins are highly social animals, often swimming in groups of up to several hundred individuals. They are also known for their acrobatic displays, frequently leaping out of the water and riding the waves created by boats. Common dolphins are fast swimmers and are capable of reaching speeds of up to 60 km per hour. They are also skilled hunters, feeding on a variety of fish, squid, and crustaceans, using echolocation to locate their prey. On the daily trips of Bolhas Tours, it is possible to watch this magnificent species of dolphin. Come and meet us at our center located in Sesimbra. Let's explore.